Before we go to practical SAS programming, before that, let us get familiar with the SAS rules and regulations. Here, this program reads in a set of grades for 6 students and prints out their student numbers and genders. As here you can see that we are reading the data in data step and printing by use of proc print step. Here we are reading the data of 6 students, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and we are reading the variables subject, gender, exam 1 marks, exam 2 marks and homework grade. Since the second column and the last column are alphabetical in nature, that is categorical in nature, so we have placed $sign just after the name of their variable. The basic requirement for SAS statements are all SAS statements must end with a semicolon. As here you can notice that data statement is ending with a semicolon, and similarly input statement, data line statement, run statement, proc print statement, var statement and run statement is ending up with semicolon. But there is some exception to the data that is contained in the program itself, as here you can notice that we have only one semicolon for complete data. SAS statements typically begin with a SAS keyword, example, options, title, data, input, data lines, run, proc and var. SAS programs can be freely formatted. That means any number of SAS statements can appear on a single line provided they are separated by a semicolon. As here you can notice that we have var statement and comment statement in one line. Now let me run this program. As here you can see that this is our output that we have got. Now let me take this comment to the other line and rerun this program. And here you can notice that we are still getting the same output. A SAS statement can be continued from one line to the next as long as no word is separate there. As here you can notice that our input statement is separated into 2 lines. Now let me split into 3 lines and rerun our program. You can see that still I am getting the correct output. SAS statements can begin in any column. It means that you can write SAS statement in any column. Let me shift this input statement to nth column and rerun this program. As here you can see that still we are getting the correct output. SAS statements are not case sensitive. That is, they can be entered in lowercase, uppercase or the mixture of the two. Example, input statement as you can see here. The words in a SAS statements are separated by blanks or special characters. In our case, we have separated them by blanks. Comments are used to annotate your program. 2 methods are there. A delimited comment begins with a /* and ends with an */ All text within the delimiters is ignored by SAS. An alternative comment begins with an asterisk and ends with a semicolon. As here you can see that here is our first type of comment and here is our second type of comment. Rules for SAS names. SAS names are used for SAS dataset names, variable names and other such items. Example, dataset name grade. Example, variable names subject, gender, exam 1, exam 2 and homework grade. Note that each of the names appearing in the program adhere to the following rules. All names must be between 1 and 32 characters. The first character appearing in a name must be a letter, either capital or small, or an underscore. Subsequent characters must be letters, numbers or underscores. That is, no other characters such as $, percentage or ampersand are permitted. Blanks also cannot appear in SAS names. SAS names are not case sensitive. That is, they can be entered in lowercase, uppercase or a mixture of the two. SAS is only case sensitive within quotation marks. That's it for now. See you in next lecture. Thanks.